like may incognito kami ngayon. So,
yeah, so anong feeling mo to be part of that?
I'm so blessed to be part of really great talent. Upscale lahat. Yung production team namin, yung Star Creatives. Talagang binubuhos po ang lahat para mapaganda ang kwento at locations namin. So, hindi biro itong incognito. It's really pinag-isipan. I'm working with the best of the best and nag-shoot kami sa beautiful locations.
Kamusta ka trabaho
Pilipinas and abroad.
Sila Richard Gutierrez.
I love working with everyone. Ian,
bigat ang mga cast, no?
And you know, Daniel. You know, sobrang sweet nilang lahat. Andun yung ano namin sa isa't isa, accountability partner. Pag may day off kami, we get to
it's good.
Play basketball, you know. So,
kamusta si Daniel nakatrabaho? Na-miss siya ng mga tao no? Matagal siya nawala.
Yeah, ano siya, very professional, always on time, he knows his lines. And, believe lang talaga ako kay Daniel. As a human being.
As a person, as katrabaho.
As an actor. Magaling siya.
Balik ngayon sila Kay, sila Patrick, di ba? Sila Paolo.
Hopefully one day I get to work with them.
Yun na nga marami nag-aabang na magkatrabaho ulit tabing Ilocos, so sana magkasama-sama na ulit.
I'm praying. Yeah.
How's your communication with them? Kakausap mo sila palagi?
Okay naman, yeah. I get to message them. Kailan lang nag-birthday si Patrick, I greeted him.
Yeah. Tuloy-tuloy pa. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice to see you.